We have mole day coming up this week, so let's talk about mole conversions, but specifically, let's talk about mole conversions in relation to gases. Let's start where it's easiest. So at STP, our standard temperature and pressure conditions, we're looking at temperatures of 0 degrees Celsius, 273 Kelvin, and a pressure of 1 atmosphere. So when this is the case, we know that 1 mole of any gas occupies a volume of 22.4 liters. So this is true at these conditions. Doesn't matter whether we're looking at helium or if we're looking at a really dense gas like xenon. Any mole at standard temperature and pressure conditions is going to have that volume, 22.4 liters. So looking at this problem, we have a mass of 905 grams. We need to first convert that into moles. From there, once we've converted from grams into moles using the molar mass, then I can use that conversion. 1 mole is equal to 22.4 liters. So I always write in my units first, then I'm going to go back in, calculate that molar mass, and fill that out. And once I do the actual conversion, now I'm going to double check for sig figs. I guess we're going to go with 3 sig figs here. So that would be 390 liters. Now let's switch it up. Let's say I am not at STP or at those standard temperature and pressure conditions. Let's change the pressure to 1.2 atmospheres. And well, we might as well increase the temperature too and see how that impacts the moles of our gas. Now what's going to happen is because we are no longer at STP, you can't have that conversion of 1 mole is equivalent to 22.4 liters. Instead, you're going to use the ideal gas law. You can rearrange this equation. We can still figure out our moles by dividing by the mass, by the molar mass of that gas, and then we're just going to solve for the volume. So we plug in all of the values from the equation. I am including units here so you can see how all of those units cancel out, leaving us with just units of liters. So that gives us a value of 384 liters. Big takeaways when it comes to gases: if you are at STP, you're going to use 1 mole is equivalent to 22.4 liters. If you're at conditions other than STP, you're going to use the ideal gas law. New tutorials coming every Tuesday. Drop a comment to request the next topic.